Hey guys, welcome to this little nail tutorial. I'm going to attempt a little voiceover, but first I'm just starting out with some clean nails. I've already shaped them and removed my previous gel manicure. So I'm showing you guys how my nails look. We're going to go in with the pH bond. This is the first step. This one is from Gelish. This is a nail dehydrator, and I'm not 100% sure why you need this, but I'm assuming it helps all the future products stick better, because your nails are not supposed to be oily or have anything on them. They're supposed to be very clean, and yeah. Also, I want to mention that I'm not a licensed manicurist. I just do my own nails on myself at home. This is the nail foundation. This is basically the base coat. This one is also from Gelish. I bought a Gelish kit a few years ago when I started doing my own nails, and you just want to apply a thin coat of this on your nails. Like I said, this is basically the base coat. You want to be careful with this one because you are going to cure this after you apply it. So I just do one coat of this on my nails. I'm obviously being super careful that I don't get it on my skin. I like to go slow and take my time. Like I said, I'm not a licensed manicurist. I just do my own nails at home. My mom was a manicurist for 16 years, so she did teach me how to do my own nails, but I don't do this for a living, and I don't do this on other people. You do have to, I'm pretty sure you have to have a license to buy like professional grade products. Actually, I'm not sure. I think you can actually buy this kind of stuff on Amazon now without a license, but I just wanted to mention that if I'm not very good at explaining how I do my nails, it's because I'm not a professional, okay? I'm just a girl that does her own gels at home. Okay, and when I said that you're going to cure the foundation, it means you're going to put it in this little UV light. Actually, I think mine is an LED. I think mine is the LED 545, which means you could fit 5 fingers in there and it cures for 45 seconds. And curing essentially just means that you're putting your hand in this little light source, little oven, little tanning bed type of thing. My light is also from Gelish. Like I said, I bought a Gelish kit, a Gelish gel nail kit from Cosmoprof a few years ago when I started doing my nails. But yeah, so anyways, my light is the LED 545 Gelish lamp. And once you're done curing that, you're going to remove your hand, and then it's time for color. I'm using this color from Nail Addict. This is called High Standards. It's a sparkly black. It's so pretty and perfect for Halloween. Halloween is this Saturday, I think. And Nail Addict actually sent this to me along with I think 5 other really pretty colors. So I decided to make this little video to show you guys how beautiful this color is, and also just to show you guys how I do my nails. So I'm just going to very carefully paint my nails, and I'm probably going to fast forward through this part because I'm going so slow and I don't want to bore you to death. I feel like this video is already a little boring. If you mess up like I did, you could just kind of take your nail and wipe off whatever gel polish gets on your skin. You definitely want to take it off your skin though, and be so careful that you don't get any on your skin because it will cure and harden. And just try and be as clean and neat as possible so your nails look neat and tidy. So I'm going to go ahead and finish doing this first coat, and then I will cure it for 45 seconds under the lamp, and then I'll go back in and do a second coat before we go in with the top coat. And then, of course, after I'm done with the second coat, I'm going to cure that as well. We're curing every layer in between each coat. And then it's time for top coat, but I'm using structure gel, which is actually a little thicker than top coat, and I don't want to say that it's technically not top coat, but it's supposed to be used for like nail art, nail designs, that type of thing. I just prefer it because it's so thick, and I feel like it keeps my nails harder and stronger, and I actually don't have a top coat right now, so that's why I'm using my structure gel. Then we're going to take an alcohol pad and just wipe each of the nails. If you don't do this with the gelish polishes, they will be sticky, which is not a good look. So I know not all the gel polishes need to be wiped down, but the gelish ones do. Then I'm just going to take a little bit of the nail oil and put it on my cuticles and then rub that in so my nails look extra beautiful. I feel like this is so important for any manicure. Don't skip the nail oil, okay? And this is how my nails look. They look so pretty. I love this color so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry this voiceover is a little wonky. I'm literally doing just like a one take voiceover, but I just wanted to show you guys my polish. Look how beautiful it is. It's so pretty. I love the sparkles. I haven't done black in so long, and I highly recommend this color from Nail Addict. I felt like it was a great gel polish. So thanks for watching. Bye guys.